Hey everyone, welcome back to RRC Remote Adventures, your go-to channel for all things RC. I'm your host, Michael Rice, and today we've got something special in store for all you thrill seekers out there. Team Associated has been a powerhouse in the RC world for over 4 decades, and they've done it again with their latest release, the Reflex 14B 4-wheel drive electric buggy kit. This 1/14th scale buggy is a performance beast, designed to dominate any terrain you throw at it. From rocky trails to dirt tracks, the Reflex 14B kit is ready to tear it up. Let's dive into some of the features that make this buggy stand out from the crowd. With adjustable turnbuckles, springs, shock tower hole placement, and more, you can fine-tune your driving experience to perfection. Plus, with 3 sealed differentials, an aluminum steering rack, and a lightweight aluminum center drive shaft, Team Associated has spared no expense in ensuring maximum durability and performance. The Reflex 14B kit also comes with factory team aluminum wheel hexes, threaded racing shocks, and front universal drive shafts for unparalleled handling and control. And let's not forget about the updated battery strap system and clear Lexan body, giving you both style and functionality on the track. So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to take your RC adventures to the next level, be sure to check out the Team Associated Reflex 14B kit. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to RRC Remote Adventures for fresh RC content every week. Hit that like button if you're excited about the Reflex 14B kit and drop a comment below to let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Until next time, happy racing.